To combine and install two sets of light panels together, use the included connection cable. While both power adapters will still be needed, one of the control box cables will be replaced by the connection cable. After you design the layout you want, a number of panels will be highlighted in bright white. Tap the highlighted panel that you wish to insert the connection cable and the power adapter into. For example, here we're selecting the 12th panel. Next, follow the installation instructions to connect and install each light panel on the wall. For example, when installing the 12th light panel as we previously selected for the connection cable, the app will show us which slots we may choose to insert the connection cable into. After inserting, make sure to attach the connection cable with the power adapter and then plug into a power outlet. Then continue the rest of the installation process as normal. We truly hope you enjoy.